Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Now Solutions Vegetable Glycerin 100 Pure Versatile Skincare Softening and Moisturizing 16-ounce. Quick and efficient service and a great price make this a great deal for anyone looking for this product. It's good to have a flawless skin, and it's great to be me. If you haven't been introduced yet to the wonders of vegetable glycerin, you need to try it. Perfect for making homemade beauty and personal hygiene products. Water-soluble, mixes well with other ingredients, no odor, naturally moisturizing. Added some vitamin E for moisturizing properties, lavender for its good smell, and tea tree oil for added antibacterial. Love this oil. It feels like baby oil but isn't greasy like baby oil. Apparently it is a great base for rose oil and body oils, as well as for really dry hair. This is different from oil-based products which replace the natural oils in the skin. It works great as a small addition. Remember, only 1-2 drops to your product for a wash and go. It has not been long enough for me to determine when the resulting vitamin C serum really works, but the glycerin does stabilize the vitamin C, which is its purpose. If you have ever tried drugstore bubbles for the kids and found them lacking, this is the solution. This was an ingredient needed for a homemade conditioner recipe, and it worked well. A bit of glycerin is needed to moisturize the skin since the recipe is mostly alcohol. This is the only thing that has smoothed out his skin and leaves his skin hydrated. Can't wait to experiment with it and make all kinds of things great. Buy and came on time. A little bit goes a very long way, so it is a good price as well. The only downside is that it's almost impossible not to make a mess no matter how you pour it out of the bottle. Not as good as the 100 bottle you buy at your doctor's office or online, but for an average price of about $5 per bottle is totally fantastic. Glycerin is the best product in the market to protect one's skin, especially in the bitter cold. This is great mixed with water for natural hair in the summer. Only for me. Not a big deal for me though, as it didn't make much of a mess. Can you say smooth skin? Great for adding to homemade coconut oil, shea butter too. You can Google how to do this, as it is too involved to include here. Pure vegetable glycerin, and an outstanding moisturizer and skin cleanser that also provides softening and lubricating benefits. It is an all-natural product derived from non-GMO palm oil or vegetable oil. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.